angles also, like tan, cosec, sec, cot, etc. Okay, so first here we have with sine inverse x. So here sine inverse x is in multiplication. So if it will go to the left hand side of the equals to, it will become in division. Okay, so it will become sine y by sine. I'm showing you. It will become y by sine to the power minus 1 equals to x. Okay, so our sum will become like this, and it has a power minus, so we have to transfer it to the upper side. So it will become sine y equals to x, and we have to remember this because it will play a very important part in our sum afterwards. Okay, so then we have to put dy dx on both sides. Okay, dy dx stands for the derivation. Okay, x. So now I'm going to do a thing, and you have to tell me what I have done. Okay, cos y dy by dx equals to 1. Can someone tell me why I have written this dy by dx? I think most of you have guessed, but those who have not guessed, I'm telling it for them because the respect is different. Here we have sine y, but in the respect we have x. Okay, so when the respect is unequal, like here is x, here is y, so we write dy by dx. It is a law of derivative. Okay, so now we will leave dy by dx here only at the left hand side, and we will transfer cos y to the right hand side of the equals to. Okay, so here it is in multiplication. This dot stands for multiplication. Here it is in multiplication, so if it will go to the right hand side, it will come in division. Okay, so dy by dx equals to cos y. Now most of the students will do like this: dy by dx equals to sec y, because the sec y equals to 1 by cos y. But most of the students will write it like this, but this is wrong. We don't have to write it like this. We have to write it like dy by dx equals to what we have here, 1 by cos y. We have to form a relation like thing. Okay, I hope if you have seen my trigonometry video, there was an equation sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. Okay, so then, which means cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x. So which means cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x. And now if we have to find cos x, then we have to do the root over 1 minus sin square x root over. Okay, because it is a theorem. You can take it like a theorem, like Pythagoras theorem. To find h, we do p square plus b square the whole root over. Okay, so you may take it like that only. Okay, so it will become this. So here we will write 1 minus sin square x. Okay, so now it will be y, because here our cos value is y. Okay, so now as I've told you guys, we should remember this point. Okay, here what is given, sin y equals to x, and here is given sin square y. So dy by dx equals to 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Okay, as x stands for sin y, so sin square y will be x square. So it is our first answer. Okay, I hope you guys